What's up? I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and I wanted to show you guys this awesome camper right behind me, because you guys all love camping, right? So why not go in a camper? But this camper actually doesn't go anywhere, but let me show you what is going somewhere, and that is Jeff's van. This thing is killer. Jeff's hiding out over there. He doesn't want to be on camera. We might go embarrass him later on. But what is awesome is Jeff's van. We love to show you guys what other people are doing with their vans, whether it be on the inside and outside of their van. These things are super awesome. I had to come out here, take a break from work, and show you guys, dude, just how rad this thing is. So, this thing's been under construction. This is a Ford E250 2014. And as you get a quick view at this, you'll see that it does have a 20-inch Fiberine top on there, which is gonna give you tons of room for the inside. And the inside is so nice. And they've been working on this, building out the inside, so many small little details. We'll jump in there and show you guys that. But what I will show you before we go check out all that fun stuff is gonna be this awesome lift kit. So we're running another 6-inch kit. This is the Baja Grocery Getter Kit. You love it, you know it. And if you want to install it at home, boom, there's a card so that you can install this kit at your house, in your driveway, in your shop, have it done, no problem. Now what I like about this kit is we're doing something a little bit different on here. Is we're running the American Racing wheels. We're running a 285/70/17 BFG KO2 tire. But what I like is giving you guys alternatives. This is a nice alternative. You can do this American Racing wheel for about $120. Sometimes you can even find them on Amazon for $100. So super cool. Baja Grocery Getter up front. Our steering stabilizer. This thing sits awesome in there. Little fender trimming in the front also to get those tires to fit. And as we jump onto the back, we'll kind of peek inside there, but hey, not too much. We want to go talk about the back of this thing. And then in the rear of this thing, you'll see that how nice these wheels sit and the clearance here on this Ford E350 van. We are running our 6-leaf pack in the rear of this with the Fox shocks in the rear, so it's going to give you that awesome ride. But as I was sitting here hanging out with Jeff talking about this, what I really liked about this thing is what he's got going on in the inside. This is the shorter version of the van. So you know that when you're building a short van, it's all about space. You're gonna need more space, and this thing is awesome, and what he's doing in here to get you all kinds of space is great. And as you see in the back now, we can see that this has the build out for the bed with a ton of storage in there. And that's one thing now, having that Fiberine high top on there, it's giving you all of that additional space so you can raise this bed platform up, where normally you would have to have it a lot lower if you were not running a high top van. But what I dig about this the most is these decked, and they actually are called decked, storage compartments, and you can see just how nice this thing rolls out. So I can fit a ton of gear. Well, actually, I can't fit a ton of gear, but Jeff can fit a ton of gear in this and still have access to it all very easily with this. And this just slides closed, and then once it's closed, it's going to lock shut. Pull the handle, slide it out. What's also nice about this is if you wanted this to have a keyed entry system on it, you could. I know that a lot of people, this has the partitions in here where you could separate them into different areas. Or say you wanted to put fun things like guns in there. You could move the partitions, have the guns, rifles separated, different components separated in there. And then that's what's nice about being able to lock it now. You're gonna have that additional security when you are carrying things of that nature in there, which I really like. Out of sight, out of mind. People don't know it's there. Now what's great about this deck system is how strong the top is. So you could still tie a dirt bike to it, put a ton of gear, load it up. It's gonna be able to take all the weight that you're going to put on it, well, within reason. Let's not park another car on top of it, you know, something crazy. But now we're gonna have 2 of these in here, so you can see just how much space is in these in order to, you know, to put gear. And what I like is, like, okay, maybe you have dirty stuff that you don't necessarily want in your van. Well, now this is giving you a great place to put all your dirty gear, your soiled gear that you don't want stinking up and getting all over the floor of your van. Where normally you might just kind of like stick them in there. But tons of room. You can see we have a folding table, all kinds of other stuff. And I mean, the craftsmanship on this, dude, they killed it. This thing looks beautiful. I like it a lot. So let's go check out the rest of the inside. And as we jump in this thing, you're gonna notice this nice fresh patch. We say that again. Fresh patch of watered grass. This grass is just growing so nicely here in this planter step box here. Great, love it. So also what you're gonna see in here is they've done the hardwood, the flooring in here. Great, said this is just normal Home Depot style flooring, which works great. Now what I like about this is you can see that no problem, a ton of room, I can stand up in this, and you'll know that even in some of the other videos where we did like the Ford Transit video, and I'll throw a card up there if you have not seen that video, where even I was like really close. I did not have the room that I have in this, and there's still a ton of room that if I wanted to put cabinets or anything of that nature, I could. Now what's cool about this is I'm gonna have a sitting area here, so if we're just hanging out, chilling, you know, having a cocktail, doing whatever, it's rainy outside, we don't want to be outside. I like this, we have a nice sitting area. Easily 2 people can sit up on here. We're gonna have a sink. This is also like a cutting area, cabinet, food prep area. You're gonna see that this awesome Arctic cooler right here, super rad. But what I think is the coolest thing about this is you're gonna have like, it's not quite a queen bed, but then what happens is this is going to pull all the way out, boom, and then you're going to take the bottom cushions, stick them up on the top, and now you have a full queen size bed that's running lengthwise, which normally when you don't need the bed, it's not, you know, now it's not going to be in the way. So you're going to see how that's just going to slide really nice, gets put away. I mean, super trick. If he wouldn't have showed me that this existed, I would have had no clue. I would have thought that was a bed, and then this is a seating area. And what's really nice is you'll see that this door has this, what looks like a shelf here, but when the bed is pulled out, the bed actually interlocks into that to support the bed even more on this side, so it's not just free floating or wanting to flex. So really put some thought into this. I really dig this, and I love showing you, all of you guys viewing at home, what other people are doing to their van in order to give you guys more ideas. We had nothing to do with this. We just love showing you what people are doing to the insides of their van, and I think this is really cool. I can't wait till this comes back when we do some bumpers and do some other things on it. I know that he's got a long list of things, but first of all, he wants to get out on the trail, and that's why he needed the additional ground clearance that we gave him with that Baja Grocery Getter Kit. So really quick video, just wanted to walk you guys through this van. It's awesome. I hope you enjoyed it, and smash that subscribe button. I know you have not done that yet. Smash the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and I will see you guys next time.